I want to kind of address some of those right now by discussing the how. At the end, we're also going to make sure that you have some resources to kind of guide you through application of this in your classroom. So one concept that you have to shift from if you want to do more hands-on learning with your students is you have to be willing to shift from being the knowledge provider, so the holder of all knowledge, to being the facilitator of learning. You have to be willing to almost trade places with your students at different points in your units. So sometimes, yes, you are going to get that direct instruction. You are going to guide building their background knowledge, but you have to also understand that when the students are learning, we want them also to come back so confident that they have something to teach the rest of us. So you're stepping away from the front of the classroom, you're stepping away from the PowerPoints, you're stepping away from the guided sheets with the very specific language that you want students to use throughout, and you have to relinquish that control. You're circulating the room and you are guiding. You're going to structure student inquiry. So I say guide because we are not just releasing them into the wild and letting them explore whatever it is they want. We are still putting things in place, which is where this webinar today hopefully helps support you. You're still going to do a lot of the legwork. It's just going to be on the backside. You are going to be anticipating student needs. You are going to be finding the correct resources to target the students that you serve, and you are going to develop guiding questions to drive inquiry.